You want grapes? Jalen, ano? Di ka dito. Oh, yan na.
Ano yun?
Ang kulit mo kasi. Okay lang yan, okay lang. We're here. We're going to buy chocolates. Yeah. Dito ba yun, Kuya Mikoy? Oh, let's go. Let's buy chocolate. So, super dami dito, no? Ayun. Ano sabi? Magkano yung Ben?
110.
Sige, pingin ka pa kaya. Si Mami kaya, anong gusto?
Hindi lang gusto niya, sinasabi niya.
Pakita ko kay Daddy. Yung mga Toblerone din sila. Ano?
Ayan na.
Oh, you want cookies? Sige. May maling din sila. Oh. Ipakita natin kay Daddy para pagpunta dito ni Daddy. May idea na siya. Daddy, Len. Oh, sige. You show it right. It's other way around. Yeah, we'll get one for you and one for Mommy. Okay? Sige. Masarap kaya yun. Okay, we're here. Okay, we're here. Oh. You want grapes? Jalen, ano? Di ka dito. Oh, yan na.
Ano yun?
Ang kulit mo kasi. Okay lang yan, okay lang. Ano ba sa'yo?
Pineapple cake. Pineapple.
Okay, you want pineapple. Yay. We're here, we're here. Okay, sige. Yay. Yay, we're here.
Pineapple cake.
Wow, bago to, no?
Look, it's chicken.
Monchitos. Saan kaya galing to? No?
Fried chicken. It is a fried chicken and it looks like a fried chicken.
Yup, it's a
Ano yun?
chicken chicharon.
Guys, dito lang kayo pa. Mano tayo o babayaran na natin.
Oo, meron ding Friska. What are you buying? Jalen, ano binili mo? Jalen, ano binili mo? Cookies. Ikaw, Kuya Mikoy, ano binili mo? Juice. Okay, sige.
Thank you, Kuya Mac.
You're welcome. What here? Thank you po. Okay na kayo? Oh, let's go. Let's go. Hali ka na. Yay!
Thank you, Kuya Mac.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, let's go home. You're welcome. Let's go. Hali ka. Yay! Oh, we have our juice.
Salamat, Kuya Mac.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, we're going home now.
Love you.
Bye. See you.